compare with the basket. So you can see that is reindeer moss. Reindeer eat them in wildlife. It's very healthy. Indigenous people of Sami put it into the soup and they make tea with this herb. It's not very delicious. It tastes like nothing. Reindeer moss. Reindeer moss. Moss for the reindeer. The main food for the reindeer. And you can eat it. Like this.
ഇവർക്ക് ഇതൊന്നും വേണ്ട. They are asking for a beef. ഇലകളൊന്നും ഇതൊന്നും വേണ്ടെന്ന് അവരിത് കഴിച്ച് മടുത്തു. വേണ്ട
White winter suit, this one.